When I was a kid, an oven was something you made cookies in. And they did what in the oven? They did what with
They
the
did
who?
what?
They did what with the who? Lord.
Okay, they brought them to camps.
We're gonna sentence you to death without the possibility of parole. Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
Oh man, I love Steve.